Welcome to day 25 of the 30-day mixed media card challenge. 30 cards using craft supplies you've probably got at home. If you want the other videos on the screen, in the description on the channel, you'll find them. But today we're going to be making this card here. So let's get started.
For this card, you're going to need some pretty tissue paper to make flower shapes. Now you can get your flower shapes from anywhere, or you can get a free printable off my website, which I will link to on the screen and in the description below. And then all you're going to need to do is cut out a template so that you can make all your flower shapes exactly the same. So whatever flower shape you're using, you then want to put it onto your chosen colour of tissue paper and cut out, and you're going to need 3 of each one for each flower. And then I also recommend doing some leaves, and I don't have a template, I just cut a nice little curve and another curve and just get some nice little pointy leaves. If you want some more sophisticated leaves, feel free, especially if you're a very good drawer. So once you've got them, you're going to want your card. So you just need a piece of card folded in half or a card blank, and then you can just stick your flowers on, or you could decorate your card first. So I'm going to use some rubber stamps of some little flowers just to add a bit of a background effect. So you can see I'm just using yellow. It's not in your face, it's just to make it a bit more of an interesting background. And it'd be entirely up to you how much you do, and it's up to you to decide when you're ready to stick your flowers on. You may just do them on the card, particularly if you're using a coloured card, for example. So I'm just doing 3 flowers, and I'm looking at it now and thinking the background's still a little bit bare for me. So I'm going to get another rubber stamp and do some more yellow detailing. Oh, don't drop it like I did. What you can do, of course, is do different colours, or maybe have some paint and a brush and do a bit of a stippled effect in the background. It's entirely up to you. As you can see, it's just adding a bit more interest before I get gluing. And you can use rubber stamps for all sorts of things, but I do rather like them for a bit of a background. I've used them in a few of my cards in this series. So then it's time to stick. Now tissue paper is dead easy to stick, so all you need is a glue stick. And I'm going to assemble each flower. So I'm just going to stick those petals on, but I'm not going to stick them directly over. I'm just going to twist it slightly and put them on so that they end up looking more natural. If you want to do thick flowers, you could do more layers, but 3 does seem to be enough. And then stick that down where you want it on the card. And then, of course, you're just going to repeat for however many flowers you've got. Now I'm putting mine close together, and then I'll just be adding some leaves. You could do them all over. You could just do one in the centre. Get creative. So leaves, I'm just going to stick mine down flat. You could just stick one end of the leaf. I'm tending to just run the glue stick along the length and tuck it in behind the flowers, so it just looks like they're poking out from behind the flowers. You can see how I'm sticking them down at the same time to the paper, so that's why I'm working on a bit of paper underneath. I don't need the glue all over my desk. And then I'm happy with that, so I'm going to put a greeting on, and I'm going to raise that up with some little sticky foam pads, but you could just stick it on with the glue stick. And if you want some free printable greetings, you can get them from our website. There's a link on the screen and in the description below. They cover lots of different occasions, not just forever friends. And there we go. Now I actually think the flowers will look better with a centre, so I'm going to glue on a button. And you can use a multi-purpose glue, but I'm using a hot melt glue gun. I mean, strictly mine's a cool melt glue gun, but it's just a hot melt glue gun that works at a lower temperature. And then we're finished. So I hope you enjoy making your tissue paper flower card, just like mine.